Hi guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick video, I know some of you are having a hard time accessing documents that maybe your teacher uploaded from Google Drive on Schoology. So I'm going to show you how to fix that quickly today. So first you need to go to Schoology, and when you get there, we are looking at that top banner for the resource button. So click that first. And when you have clicked that, your screen will look like this. On the left-hand side, you are looking at the bottom for the button that says Apps. So please click on Apps. When you click on that, you will get this pop-up box asking you if you agree. Now, this is something that you can click I agree on today, but just hear this, please. We will tell you what apps you need. So please don't just go through and download a bunch of them. We'll tell you what you need, all right? So in the future, just wait for that notification. But for today, we are going to only look at the Google one. So you can click I agree for that. And then you should see the resources options once you have agreed to that. We are looking for the Google Drive resource app. So you would click this square right here and then click install. And this way you will be able to access those documents that your teachers have uploaded from Google Drive with no problem. All right. So go ahead and give that a try. It should clear up a lot of problems. If not, please make sure you're emailing your teacher immediately so they can help you. And hopefully you find this helpful.